Alright, so if you're like me and you've got a Kohler 25 and you're getting ready to put a new head on here, here's a little quick tip to get these coil springs down. Basically, you just get the right pair of pliers and just get it on there right. Press it down, fiddle it, you can get it in there. You don't have to have a special tool or whatever. So I know this is a really bad angle, but I'll attempt to do this here. Phone wants to keep sliding, but as you do it, just get ready that those springs don't pop out and shoot out everywhere. Those little pieces, yep, just like that. See, I come off it really slow. I'm trying to do it so you can see, but it's just kind of making it more difficult. So yeah, do that really slow. This is the reality of it. I'm gonna shoot this video, just do it really quick and make it look super easy. It's not super easy. It's difficult. Actually, I also did it like this. I opened it up like that. And you kind of have to stick your finger in there and poke it. Just like boop, boop, boop with my finger tip. There we go. Just give it like a little jiggle. Make sure it's good. That one. There you go. It's all locked in place. If it looks like it's uneven, or if it's not seated in there right, and just get the pliers again and just, just stick it like that so it has enough room, and then just press it and just jiggle it. Make sure it's locked in there.